this has got to be the biggest spool of rope that I think I've ever seen. How many feet of rope are on here?
Yeah, so actually one production rope of one single rope would be roughly 1,000 to 1,200 meters, and this is 7 sets of rope. So yeah, you can quickly do the math, and you got a bit of rope on that carrier over there.
3 miles, Cale. 3 miles of rope on here, and it looks like there's actually more than one rope on there.
True. For the treatment of the sheath, we can run different ropes through the machinery, and so this is what's going to be the storage for the treatment of the sheath material.
Great. So the rope goes into the machine here,
yes,
and then it's going to be dipped into the chemistry over here.
Yeah. So basically, what's happening over here is more or less the same process like we do in upstairs for the core material. So treatment is always uptake of chemistry and then heat over time, and that's what we're doing here for the finished braided rope. As the core is already braided, this will always the uptake will only be done by the sheath uptake and then thermal treatment over time.
So the rope is comes off of the spool, goes through the chemistry, and then is stretched and heat treated and dried out. Very cool.
And then you get a fully dry treatment rope passing the UAA standard.
Simple.
Simple.
Simple, easy. You can do it at home. I could make a rope.
Easy.
Martin, thanks so much for sharing how the rope is treated for dry treatment after it's produced. What would be the next step in your production line?
So the next step in our production would be, unfortunately, not a lot of customers are interested in buying 1,000 meters of rope. So yeah, then we have to do the cutting down of the rope, essentially, or basically, and yeah, I will show you one important step before we do the cutting as well.
Thanks for watching our video here today at EDELRID, where we talked about the dry treatment of produced rope. We're going to shoot another video about how that rope is packaged and gotten ready for shipment, as well as we have the entire library of rope production here at EDELRID World Headquarters in Isny. Martin, thanks so much.